In this video, I want to talk about how you can connect Shopify to QuickBooks Online. Now this is pretty easy, guys. What you need to do is you need to open up Shopify, go to the admin dashboard and click on Add Apps. Then simply press on the App Store down here, and from in here you just want to search for QuickBooks Online. Once this pops up, you just want to choose this one with the most reviews. And when you open it, it should be by Intuit. Now in here, you just want to press install, and now it should appear here. Otherwise, just refresh your browser. And once it appears here, you want to select it, and it's going to ask you to connect your account. And then you just want to follow the instructions on the screen, and it's only going to take a few minutes. And after that, it is now connected. Now this is the easiest way to do this, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.